Hello viewers, I welcome you here. In this video I will tell you how to change a picture to black and white. This is the original picture and this is the picture with black and white color. Okay, let's start. First of all, you need to open one picture, file, open, and select the picture that you would like to bring changes in. Image, calculations, you can see the change. Channel, select gray from here, or you can also select the other rest, green, blue. These are the changes. Select the one that you like. Channel, gray, green, blue. Gray is the best one, so I will select this one. You can also bring some other changes. See, from blending change it to normal, and now change it from your keyboard or change from here yourself. You can see the change. Different styles are applied here now. Screen, color dodge, linear dodge, light color, overlay, soft light, hard light, vivid light, linear light. I select multiply from here, new channel, and then select OK. Click on channels, select all, edit, copy, click on layers, create a new layer, edit, paste. Now you can bring some other changes. Image, adjustment, brightness or contrast. You can increase the brightness from here. You can see the change. Select OK. Image, adjustment, labels. You can see the change yourself. Fix it the way you like your picture. This is okay. It looks the best. Select OK. Can decrease the opacity. This is your final result.